In this tutorial, we'll add SmartArt graphics to quickly and easily make a visual representation of information. So to do this, we go to the Insert tab, to the Illustration section, and click on SmartArt. So this will open different types of SmartArt graphics organized in these categories. So in the List category, you can select any layout that you want, and Excel will display a sample preview of the selected layout. And mainly the list layouts are used if you have a bulleted text and you want it to stand out visually, for example. Now for the process layouts, so unlike lists, process charts have a directional flow and then can be used to illustrate steps or stages in a process or workflow. Now for the cycle layouts, they also show processes, but this time they show circular or repetitive processes. In the hierarchy layouts, you can use them if you want to build company organization charts, for example, to build decision trees or family trees. In the relationship layouts, you can use them if you want to compare two or more set of things, if you want to show the relationship between different parts, for example, or if you want to show overlapping or interconnected relationships. So let's start first by choosing the hierarchy layout and choosing this one, the horizontal hierarchy, and clicking on OK. So this will insert this SmartArt graphics. You can see we have all these different boxes that we can enter text inside of them, and these boxes are connected by these lines. Now in this worksheet we have two salespersons, Tom and Sarah, and they are selling apples, bananas and carrots, and here we have the summary of their sales. So we want to display the summary into this SmartArt graphics. So first we will type in the total sales for both Tom and Sarah, total sales, and the total sales here is equal to 4,634.7. so dollars, $4,634.7. and if you want to enter the text inside of a box, just click on this box. So let's click here and let's enter Tom sales. So total sales for Tom is equal to $2,577.2. So $2,577.2. So you can either click inside the box to enter the text or use this text box here, and you can see that this horizontal hierarchy has 3 layers of information. So here in the text pane we have the first layer. Now if you indent, you will go to the second layer, and if you further indent, you will go to the third layer. Okay, so let's use the text pane in order to enter the information. So the sales related to Tom's are banana, apple and carrot sales. So let's enter this information here. So for banana we have $312.2. If we go down by using the down arrow key on the keyboard and type in apple, we have $1,612.5. and if you want to add another box, just hit the enter key and Excel will dynamically create a third box in the third layer and also connected to Tom's sales, since we are still under Tom's sales. So let's type in carrot, $652.5. Now we want to input in this text Sarah's sales. So Sarah sales. So the total is $2,057.5. So we use the down arrow key to go to the third layer, which is connected to Sarah's sales. So we type in banana, we have $450. Hit the enter key. This will dynamically create a second box in the third layer and connect it to Sarah's sales, since we are still under Sarah. So then Apple, $550. We hit the enter key, and Excel, you can see, will auto adjust the SmartArt graphic for us. And let's type in carrot also. So this is equal to $1,057.5. You can always enter, for example, a fourth layer. So if we hit the enter key and then we indent furthermore by using the tab key, you can see that this will create a box which is linked to the carrot box under Sarah's sales. Okay, and you can use the backspace in order to go back one layer. So you can indent back and go back one level when you use the backspace key. So the tab key to indent further and to create additional layers, and the backspace key is to go back and different levels to the first level, for example. So let's delete this. Now you can for example disable this text pane if you click on this sideways arrow, or you can click on it again to enable it, or you can go to the design tab in the SmartArt tools and click on this text pane button to enable it or disable it. Now with the SmartArt graphic selected, let's see how to format it. So first we will go to the design tab under the Smart Tools section and click on this change colors button. So we'll change the color of this. So you can see, you just mouse over these different colors and you can have a sample preview of the colors before choosing them. So let's choose this one, for example. Now we can also format, create additional formatting by choosing SmartArt styles. Click on this down arrow here. You can see also we have some cool 3D styles. So I will choose this one, for example. It has some nice cool 3D effect to it. Now we've finished from this SmartArt graphic. Let's insert another one. So another SmartArt graphic that will visually show the products we are selling. So we go to the Insert tab here and click on SmartArt, and I will choose from the list category, and I will choose this one. So this one will allow us to insert pictures above the different lists. So click on OK. You can always decrease the size of the SmartArt graphic by using these handles at the corners, and you can decrease the size. So let's move this back to here, and now let's enter the text here and let's enable the text pane. So let's enter banana, and or you can use the text pane here, or you can click on any of these boxes, and let's now type in apple and then type in carrot. Okay, now you see these empty boxes above these texts. So these are used to insert pictures. So if you click on this box, for example, it will open this insert pictures menu, and you can insert a picture from a file located on your computer or by using some online search. So for this I will use a file on the computer. You can go to your exercise files and to chapter 5, and let's choose this banana image. Double click, and you can see that Excel will put this banana image inside this box. And in the second box, we click on it, browse, and let's choose the apple. And also in the third box, browse, and let's choose the carrot image. Let's format this. I want to change the color. I will choose this one. This is a colorful SmartArt graphic. And also I will change the SmartArt styles to also include some 3D effects. Moreover, you can also change the text styles. So with the SmartArt selected, go to the Format tab in the SmartArt Tools section, and in the Word Art Styles, click on this down arrow, and you can choose some cool Word Art styles. Okay, and I will choose this one, which is really nice. So now you don't have just a worksheet, you have a worksheet that full of life and full of graphics that will help you communicate your information. So use these SmartArt graphics tools to add more life to your worksheet and to visually communicate your information.